everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to give away 2 big copywriting tips that changed my life drastically, and I sold thousands of dollars worth of courses online for myself and for the clients. I generated millions of dollars by using only these two copywriting principles, techniques that I use on product pages and on the ads that I run. So the first tip is going to be the essential tip, and the second one is going to be even more important. Let's start with the first one. Buckle up, you're going to learn a ton. A lot of people say don't use features, benefits, don't use features, benefits. So you might be thinking, how can I convert that, Jim? It may seem vague because it's a vague concept. Features, what is a feature? Let's say he has brown hair, or the product has metal, the product is made out of cotton or something like that. That is feature of the product, or 2 millimeters long, or 100 grams of weight, or whatever it is, right? Those are features. But how can you take that and turn it into a benefit? You might be thinking, how can I turn 100 grams into a benefit, Jim? It doesn't really make sense. How am I going to do that? And I've seen big, brands like Nike always put features, not benefits. But you're missing one point. They have huge credibility. I have one video full on copywriting. I'm going to put it down under the link. After you finish this video, go watch that. It's a full free copywriting course. And this why, by the way, guys, the big brands can get away with those because they have huge credibility. If you're not Nike, if you're not Lululemon, if you're not Adidas or any big brands like that, you have to be pushing the benefits. All right, let's assume we're selling a t-shirt over here. This is our t-shirt, and the feature is breathable cotton. A lot of people on Shopify stores, they put breathable cotton, but what does that entail? What does that mean? Breathable cotton is not actually benefit. So you might say this is breathable cotton, and people inherently, customers will think, what do I get out of this? What do I get out of this? They will think that right away. So your answer should be using so that. If you use so that, you will be able to convert features into benefits. Let's do an example. Breathable cotton, so that you won't sweat as much. You can wear the same t-shirt for 48 hours straight and you won't smell. So if you put that in, that's a benefit. Breathable cotton, so that you can play basketball and go to a date right after that without even changing your t-shirt. That's the benefit of the breathable cotton. So you don't sweat as much. You don't have to put a ton of perfume on a hot summer day. It's breathable. That's that way, so that, as you can see how I converted that into a benefit. That's a benefit. So you can play basketball 5 hours and go straight to a date. Or you can wear the same t-shirt 48 hours. Or you don't have to wash it as often as the regular non-breathable t-shirts. So breathable is a vague term. You have to paint that picture in front of the customer's eyes. Let's give one more example. Stretchable fabric. All right, stretchable fabric. A lot of people think they give the fabric name, let's say it's polyester, suppose it's stretchable, and people think, yeah, I say stretchable, that's a benefit. No, it's not a benefit. So you have to paint that picture, how that benefits a person being stretchable. Stretchable is like a feature of the product. But how that actually benefits in a day-to-day life of a customer if they buy your t-shirt. You have to explain that. Let's explain. So that you can wear slim fit version of this and do like 10,000 push-ups without even breaking a sweat. You can move your arms all the way around. So how can people benefit from that action? You always have to go deep. So if they can move their arms all the way up, that's not actual benefit. How they can actually benefit from this? Maybe they don't feel constrained during the day. Maybe they have a good stretch. Maybe they want to play table tennis in the office if they have a table tennis. Or they can wear it to the gym and they can do lat pull downs. Without that, if the t-shirt is not that stretchable fabric, you're not going to be able to do lat pull downs. If you pull your arms up, your belly will show, right? The t-shirt will lift up, so you're not going to be able to complete the exercises confidently. And you won't be confident in the gym. That's a great benefit. So you can put a lot of benefits by using so that. Let's give another example. You know, we have these ball throwers for the dogs when they play in the parks. I don't know if you've seen it. Back in Turkey, I haven't seen that, but in Australia, I've seen it all the time. They have this, you know, like the little stick thing that sticks, the ball sticks on this thing, and they throw it. It just gives it a little bit of range. I'll put a picture, you will see it. 100 grams only. Let's say it only weighs 100 grams. That's a feature people put there on their drop shipping stores, e-commerce stores, on Shopify stores, which doesn't mean anything. Literally doesn't mean anything. 100 grams only. So how can you turn this into a benefit? Let's think about it. So that 100 grams, so that you can carry it all day in your bag, in your purse. Foldable. What does that mean? People think, oh, it's a benefit, it's compact, but is it actually? No, it's not a benefit actually. It is benefit if you turn it into a benefit. Foldable so that you can keep it in your pocket, you can fit it into your pocket. You literally can carry this thing folded in your pocket. You don't have to carry your bag when you're walking your dog. You just fold it, put it in your pocket. Doesn't cover any space. So I hope it is clear, guys. If you put so that on anything, it will turn a feature into a benefit. If you're learning something new, please subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. I'm not selling this. This is completely for free, and keep enjoying the video. Tip number 2, now we're covering the art of first sentence. By the way, the most important thing on a copy is the headline. Your headline and your offer. A lot of people put their offers in their headlines, but if you don't have a special offer and you're just writing for your landing page, you don't have to have an offer, right? Not every business runs certain offers, right? They just sell maybe the product in itself is so valuable they don't have to run an offer. All right, the headline is the most important one, but I have a completely separate, completely free course on my YouTube channel, which I will link down below. You go ahead and watch that after this video. And the sub headline. Sub headline is optional, guys. You don't have to write sub headline, but if you're gonna write a sub headline, make sure it is 16 words long. Don't make it longer than this. 16 words is the max of a sub headline. I suggest do it shorter, but 16 words is optimal, or shorter, like 10 to 16. First sentence is the critical one. The key of the first sentence is to make sure people read the second sentence. This is exactly the same with ads, exactly the same with your landing page copy. Your main goal of your landing page or first sentence is to get them to read the second sentence, and it will go on and on. You don't want to present your offer right away. That's why on ads, I sometimes, if the offer is super crazy, I put my offer on the headline, as I said, but you won't get a lot of clicks to your landing page if you do that. People are already seeing what you have to offer, so they don't have to click on your ads. So what do? These are the good examples of a first sentence. It has to be short. The shortest sentence of your whole copy has to be your first sentence. It has to be short and incomplete. So it has to be short and incomplete. This is not me saying this. This is Joseph Sugarman saying this, Gary Halbert saying this, John Keppel saying this. A lot of OG copywriters are saying this. It is easy. So this is a winning copywriting first sentence, by the way. It's easy. It had to happen. Losing weight is not easy. So as you can see, these 3 are not even complete sentences. These are just making you curious about what is he gonna say in the second sentence. It's not easy. Like when a person reads this, what the hell? What is he gonna say? Or what is he gonna try to sell, right? If you give your offer in the headline right away, you gave all away. People not gonna read this. People see, lose weight with this ebook, 37 bucks only. People say, yeah, okay, you know, I don't have to read this. I know the offer already. I used to do that a lot. I had that offer, and I used to stick that in to my headline, and people already knew what I was offering. So they're gonna not read the whole long copy that you're gonna write on a Facebook ad, right? That's why I suggest keep the headline enticing and go watch my linked video down there. And then for the first sentence, keep it short and concise, but don't tell much. It's easy, doesn't tell much. It had to happen, tells nothing. Losing weight is not easy. Okay, what are you going to say, right? People are questioning what is he trying to say. And let's look at an example that what you should not do. So what if I told you you could get 2 for the price of 1? You're literally giving the whole offer away, which is not optimal. Look at how many words there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm using of, do, I, and like small things like that. It's too much, guys. So it's literally more than 12. So, and more than 12 is absolutely too much. What do you want to have? Less than 5 to 6 words. First sentence, less than 5 to 6 words. Maximum 10 words. 10 words is a lot. Look at this. This is quite long as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. Look at this. This is the long one. So keep the first sentence short and incomplete, and this will get them to read the rest of your copy. But what I suggest is give away your offer towards the end of the copy. So you're literally disqualifying people who are not already gonna be your qualified customers. So you're literally disqualifying them anyways without even like going to your website. So if you're doing this on Google, you're just literally not wasting any money on clicks. But if you're on advertising on Facebook, it is on CPM basis, cost per impressions, then you are actually can waste impressions. But it's if you don't give away your offer in the headline, and if you have a good creative, you're not going to have a high CPM anyways. If you give your offer blatantly and you run in really stock images, like really boring photos, you're going to have a high CPM because people are going to report it, or people are not going to like it. Why I'm seeing this ad, report the ad, write negative comments. Those are all going to increase your CPM, cost per reaching 1,000 people. That's about it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Please give me a subscribe if you haven't already, and like and comment under this video. What do you think? What should I cover next about copywriting? Take care.